All right, so you see I made this trade entry on I believe the day before yesterday. So right now I see we're cruising nicely, and I'll just have to adjust my stop loss level to this zone. So I'll copy that and go to my DX trade right over here, click on modify position, and of course hit that and paste. So I believe that's it. So this is a funded account, which is the forex, a bit, no, not the forex fund, the funded trading, you know, this is it, the funded trader program. Yeah, and of course this is my funded account. Yeah, so don't think this is a demo, guys. This is a live account funded. Oh, okay, I see something's amazing. So I don't know why the market just started to shoot all the way up. No problem. Yeah, so let me open the chart and show you where we at. NZJPY right over here. So this is DX trade, guys, view chart. All right. I'll remove this because I don't need those watermark thing. Okay, so this is a 1 minute chart, and let's hit the H1. All right, so you see this is where I made that entry position around this zone right here. So you see all these just profit, guys, and my target basically is all the way to this level. Okay, so I'm anticipating, let me lock this. I'm anticipating that the moment price hits or triggers this alert that you guys are seeing around this area, that is when I'm going to take my first TP. But my target initially is 216 pips, and right now let me see how much pips I've already hit. 106. So I'll copy this image and send to my VIP because I sent this. 106 pips. 106 pips. We so fly, baby. That's verified. So guys, this is what I did. Let me just show you. I made this call March 19th, and today is 21st. As you can see, this is Thursday. All right, March 19th was on a Tuesday. That's when I called in for buys on NZJPY. You see, you understand. Then I said you expect pullbacks. I remember the stop loss 72, but there was no pullback, guys. This has been an amazing run. So you see, this is when the market was playing out. Yesterday 28th, you see we were up 60 pips, and blah blah blah, lock-in profits. Yeah, we were cruising 70 pips, guys. So today in the morning 95 pips, and right now you see we're cruising 106 pips. So this is first hand FX VIP, guys, and this is how we've been doing. Just see. All right, this is it, baby. Okay, so of course I'm going to explain later what I saw and why I took this buy entry. Okay, I'm going to show you the trades analysis. That is, I'm going to break down what I saw, but let me just do that now, or let me wait for TP. Yeah, let's just wait for TP and explain more. You see, guys, it's so simple. Let me hit the daily. Let me just show you something. You see that I don't have complicated trends or drawings, whichever. So you see how the market is amazing, guys. Uptrend. I'm just going to explain. I'll just let this joint play out, and then after hitting TP, understand, that is when I'm going to give you the top down analysis. And of course I do document the entries. Let me show you right over here, March 19th. Let me help you to zoom. I'll help you to zoom for you guys to see that we are not faking a thing. March 19th, right over here, you guys can see that. Okay, I don't know if that's okay or it's 100%. Let's hit that reset button. But I hope you guys saw that's March 19th. That's when I took this trade, and you can see how the market was looking like. I've not changed anything. 91.063, that was my entry price. 91.063, let me show you on the voyage market. 91.063 right over here. And of course TP was 93.227. let's go back. 93.227. I hope you guys can see that. Or let me just go back to the market and I'll maybe hit that. Where are you? Okay, take profit 93.227, entry price 91.063. All right here. Okay, 91.063, that's it. So I've already trailed my stop loss to 91.529. 91.529 right over here. This line you guys have seen right over here, where you see I have SL stop loss 91.529. So I'm just protecting profit, so anytime the market maybe try to pulls back, then that is when I might be stopped out but in profit. But I don't think so. I'll just keep on holding on to this, and let me see how much before I take my TP1. Only 44 pips, and we should be good to go. I don't have anything on the economic calendar that might interfere, but I don't have a problem either way with the news, because news have been there despite all. Yeah, we've had FOMC, we've had balance rate of the Japanese yen, and after news the market will just continue to go all the way to its anticipated direction or its original trend. That is the good thing of you guys trading with the right direction, going with the right direction. If it's on a buy, take a buy. If it's on a sale, take a sale. So even if you have crazy news, guys, let the market do its thing. After news, you might see the market still continue to your favor, or rather the news create volatility. That is what I realized, guys. News will create volatility. If the market was going up and news comes out, it will push it all the way up, and vice versa. So for now, let me just let this joint play out, guys. I've been holding for 3 days. This is the target, and yeah, after hitting TP1 either way, or maybe final TP, I'll come back and show you how I analyze this trade. All right, me people. All right, so I believe you guys just watched that short video. So that was when the market was playing, I believe yesterday. And I decided to record. So let me just take you through and show you what I saw, why I made that trade. And this is the current price. Today is Friday. You've seen that entry was made on Wednesday, I believe. Was it Wednesday or Tuesday, either way? But it was a swing trade, and we see the price reversed. And of course, remember, guys, on that video we seen me adjusting my stop loss, and you see that okay, price just took me out, no problem. So I'll take you back to the daily. All right, so this is how the market was looking like, and you see the market was in an uptrend, high, low, and let me hit that replay tool once more right over there. So I had two levels in mind. Okay, so the first zone was this one, and the second was this level right here. So all I needed to see, if price break out of this level, then I believe that price might continue dropping and to go and retest this level right here. But we saw that there was this flip zone that price kind of respected before going back to the to the top. So, and then there was this reversal, left shoulder right here. This is the head, then a right shoulder right there. So you see kind of the market went respecting that. But my target, as usual, was this high. And like I said, guys, remember, after an impulse we expect correction before we maybe continue going all the way up. But then the market decided to reverse to the downside. So you understand that that is how the market behaves. So when you look to the left, guys, I didn't see any other level or resistance that this price might reverse on. So it just decided to reverse without giving us a sign that I want to go all the way down. But that's no problem, as long as you had your stop loss trail, no problem. So that's what the market did. Now if you kind of look at this type of a play right over here, that is what I saw. let me just do this. If I take this zone until this zone right here, maybe bring it over here, I'll explain this. So let's say there was this support level right here. So if you see this type of pattern, that just gave me that, oh yo, this is a sign that price may be ready to, you know, reverse to continue going back to the upper side. So let's go to the lower time frame and show you what the market is doing. Okay, now if you go to the H1, we see this. Now let's just go to the 15 minute, not H50. Now to the 15 minutes, we see that there's kind of the same pattern, but now this is a mini version right over here. Okay, and let me just take it. Let me just do this. I'll hit this and do this. So we kind of see that we had a mini version of that, you know, pattern that I just explained on the daily time frame. So this is why you see that I have something like this, you know. So just in case the market decides to reverse, then I might look for new entry position. But let me just show you once again, guys. Remember that you just need to add confluence after confluence. It's not that, yo, I've seen this happening, so let me take an entry position. No way. Add a confluence and more confluence until you see that, okay, the market is in your favor. So when I go back to the, let me see, this is the H1. Kind of the market might give us a reversal. That's why you see I had another support level right over here, probably another inverse head and shoulder. So these are the things that I'm looking out for. The market went up and now it's trying to come back to go all the way up. Those are just confluence, you know. But, you know, confidence and anticipation, until I see the market doing what I want, that's when I will, you know, make a decision. So I'm expecting the market to go up, comes down, breaks, okay, so something like this. That is when I might decide to take a buy position. All right, so let me do this. Okay, I'll have that. At the same time, when I was in this trade, guys, like I said before, that this market never gave us a sign that he wanted to reverse. I saw that there's an impulse, and of course we had a correction, and I also expect the market to continue going up. But kind of the market just, you know, did this, and I saw, okay, maybe this is the time it's giving us a head and shoulder before it drops. So I believe that this drop was because of that head and shoulder thing. But when I talk about head and shoulder, guys, remember we say that we hide the left shoulder, and if we hide the left shoulder, we see that first touch, second touch, and that's why I'm expecting a third touch before we see if we will either go to the top and maybe finish our journey to our, you know, last high. That might be next week, because today is Friday. The market might not, you know, play out today. All right, so I'll remove this right over here, and that's it. Let me just show you USD ZAR, and we had that position on Tuesday, I believe. So market gave us around 200 points, and it reversed, guys. Okay, so if I take it to the daily, let me show you. Now on the daily, we see that the market was going all the way up. So my final target was this level, and of course I saw that the market was around this level right over here. So before that pullback, okay, I believe I made my entry position right, I believe right over here, if I'm not wrong, and my target of course was 200 pips, 200 something. Then the market started reversing. So in fact, let me just take it to the H4. I need to show you some. Okay, now onto the H4, we see that, okay, our TP was around this level, and you see that the market reversed. So the market reversed almost, you know, oh yeah, I remember my stop loss was around, let me show you. This was my stop loss below this wick. Okay, and now we see that the market reversed, and also almost took us out. That is if we were still holding on to this position, but remember our TP was hit. So I understood that after an impulse we expect correction. So that this is what I'm still expecting the market to break correct until the market reaches the initial final target, because our anticipation was that this market or price has a potential to go all the way to this zone. So even if we never took our TP, you see that of course we were almost taken out, but you see that if we held our position we could have been still in profit. But that's what I'm seeing on the NZDJPY, man. I should look for new buy entry position. But don't just watch this video and open your MetaTrader 5 or 4 and start looking for buys. Guys, I have things that I watch out before making my decision. So watch out, guys. Be careful. You understand? So I believe you guys just learned something, and you have to maybe check out my Telegram link in the description box, guys. And adios, my amigos. Peace.